Hello people, what is up? Today we're going to be doing another review. This time some Pendleton Packable blanket action. That was a lot for me. Let's try it again. Pendleton Packable blanket action at the airport. Yeah. Going with that today. Yeah.
Let's take a quick peek at the specifics of the Pendleton Packable blanket. It is telling me that it is water resistant. It comes with a shoulder strap and 2 large pockets to put your stuff in. So it's a multi-purpose blanket. Upon further inspection, we found in one of the gigantic pockets that there's directions on how to fold your blanket back up, which can always be tricky. So
Directions
on how to make it back into this little satchel bag.
And directions, they fold back away nicely.
Nice.
Go on. That's some strap action. It's nice. It's secure. Feels good. I like it. Not to be outdone by this classy, snazzy handle. One-handed, one-fingered. It's a nice handle though, for real. Feels comfortable. With a little badge. This is what we're talking about for pockets. Lots of pocket space. Even the zippers, that little Pendleton touch. See, it says Pendleton. I'm gonna unzip it. I mean, we're unzipping.
We've unpacked it, unzipped it, unfolded it, and put it all out on the ground. And we're testing it out now too.
Yeah, just chilling on the blanket. Chilling on the blanket. Watching some airplanes. Okay, so it does have like a texture on it. It is a little slippery on this side. On the other side, not so much so. It's kind of a little bit more rough, not as slippery. Let's turn it over, see what it looks like. Okay, so it appears that the other side here, the reverse side, it has some texture to it. It's not as slippery as the other side. A little bit of texture to it. So we do have the other side down on the grass, and that is causing it to be a little bit more slippery. And again, this side has got a nice sheen to it, slipperiness, whatever you want to call it, finish. It's not rough. All right, here's what we're looking like on the other side with it turned over. This is reversible.
Future Jenny here. Just want to let you guys know that this weighs in at 2 pounds, 5.7 ounces. All right, we've been here for a while. We're really digging this blanket. We highly recommend it. So if you'd like to pick one up for yourself, there will be an Amazon affiliate link down in the description. Check that out. So we're going to refer to those directions to fold this blanket back up. But until we see you again, remember to keep your nose clean. And if you're new in town, consider subscribing. We'd super duper appreciate it. Bye.